Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I apologise for the slightly late start, about 6 minutes late this morning, because we had some major updates which were unavoidable and I had to put them in place. Sometimes you get security updates at the last few minutes, and sometimes you can avoid them, and sometimes it's really worth putting them in place, particularly with my investing accounts and so on, and security and so on. So it happens from time to time, but very, very rarely. Anyway, here we are. What a morning, what a night, the morning after the night before. We all made money. Hopefully we made money last night with Robinhood. I took $300 out of Robinhood, and what am I going to do with it? Well, I think you can guess on the screen exactly what my plan is to do with it. It's slightly different than normal though. It might surprise you a little bit, and it might make Ali smile just a tiny little bit. All right, okay, Sensei Crypto, that is. Okay, so first of all, we've got some major updates today on our channel. Major updates, a lot of things to add to the production today. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. Okay, there's information you need. Look below on the ticker right now. What do you see for the very first time? Here it comes. Follow on Twitter at Martyn Investor. Crypto tip, martynlucas.com/tip. Very, very exciting. Crypto tip, you've been asking about it for a while. Crypto tip, martynlucas.com/tip. So if you want to give me a super chat or highlight your name on the screen with a nice fancy animation, get noticed, make a request or what have you, that's one way you can do it now if you wish to do so. At the moment, we are limited to the crypto that I can accept. However, we can upgrade that in time. It costs $50 a year or $5 a month to upgrade to receive every crypto asset on Coinbase. Right now, I've got the free program because we're just going to test it out and see how it works. Anyway, that's that. Let's get straight into the trades and see where we are. So I've got a few plans this morning, a few strategies in place, and let's go into it. So here we go. Welcome everybody, good morning. We're 81 days away from 1 million views. We dropped a week because my computer was down. Hopefully we can make that up. It updates every 3 or 4 days. Right now it's 81. By tomorrow, hopefully it'll either be 80 tomorrow or it could drop by about a week. We will see if I've managed to get those numbers back that I lost. Okay, come into the chat and I'll put your name on the screen. Welcome everybody on TikTok. We have our biggest ever giveaway on Friday. Tomorrow, we're giving away $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training, reading charts, learning about candles and so on. It's our best ever giveaway. If you'd like to be in on it, it's completely free to enter. It's $125 cash, paid out live on the show tomorrow. If you'd like to be in it, you can come over to YouTube. That's where the competition is right now. youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. It's the same name as this channel. Be very careful. There are hundreds of scammers pretending to be me. They're not me. They're never live. They're always messaging you and they're never giving you money for free. I'm going to pay you in cash live on the show. If you want to jump in, it's martynlucas.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile. I'm getting back to YouTube. This is my YouTube broadcast where we're giving away the money. If you want to win, if you are not a bot, not a lazy person or a scammer, a nice person that would like to win, genuinely you'd like some support from me, come into YouTube now and say, I'm from TikTok, I would love to win, and I will give you, and I'll put you in our draw. Okay? All right, I've got to get back to my show. Okay, if you're from TikTok, tell me you're from TikTok, and I will give you I will enter you into our competition. All right, Connor Keats over on Facebook. Bitcoin is looking good. It's going down to $15, and we're going to buy it at 15,000. We've got an average of 15,000, so we are way up in the money with Bitcoin, and we're buying it again at 50. That's the only time we buy it. All right, you may just do it on one. You may just do it on one good day. ETORO. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds good, I think. Eric will win. You don't know who's going to win. You don't know who's going to win. It doesn't, all it takes is one ticket to win. Kurd Nerd said, hello. Hi, how are you? Would you like to be in our free prize draw? Welcome, Kurd. We got a new guest. Where are you in the world? Welcome to you. All right, let's go and look at our crypto bubbles this morning. And as you can see, Pepe, after all the excitement, is going back down, and Hex is up today, 22.7. We'll talk more about our crypto later in the show because we've got Zenze here in the chat, and we've got a new feature today. And I mean, to get to 1 million views. Oh, I see. You may just do it in one good day. Oh, you never know. Yeah, it could happen. I doubt it, though. I know exactly how fast my channel is growing. I know exactly the trajectory we're on. And I'm predicting 81 days. All right, that's my prediction. If you want to get the Martyn Lucas mug, it's in the live chat right now, martynlucas.com/shop. And I guarantee when you drink out of a mug like this, you always make money. Okay. Okay, let's carry on. So, last night, this is our position, Virgin Galactic. We took profits. We made lots of money yesterday. One of my best days I've had for a while. So let's have a look. This is the overall position. This is my brokerage account. Yesterday we broke through the barrier of 40,000, which was our high. We're through there now. On the Roth IRA, we broke through 14,000, and our all-time high was 54.4. We're $300 up from our all-time high. We made profits from Virgin Galactic and Robinhood. We took our money, we took our profits, cash tax-free. We used our Roth IRA, and now what we're looking to do, we're looking to reinvest it. So what are we going to do? Well, I'm now buying gold and the S&P. That's what I am buying. So if I can get a discount on my position, so if I go to my Roth IRA on the S&P is down 0.5%. So here we go. I can now buy one share of the S&P. Basically, with the money I got yesterday, I got about $300, which is my target every day. Made about $300. I can basically now get a free stock of the S&P. Isn't that brilliant? Because basically, I made money from Virgin Galactic and Robinhood, okay, which don't pay me a dividend, which are speculative, which, could go down, whatever. Long term, we know the S&P is going up. We also know it pays me a dividend. We also know we have the security of the most secure stock you can own. So by making $300 profit from Robinhood and Virgin Galactic, I am now able to buy a share of the S&P on my Roth. Now I can trade that. If we pop up today, I can sell half of that share. So I can make money out of that as well. But let's start to add that. Now it's an expensive stock again. It's an expensive asset, the ETF. However, it's 0.5% less than my current average. So I'm reducing the average. Could it go lower? Yeah. That's why I only want to buy one. So let's look at doing that right now. So let's go over to my Roth IRA. We've got now $1,800 because we've made lots of money, which is nice. So now we're going to go over to the Roth IRA and we're going to go into VU, which is down 0.5%. So it's a good time for me to buy. And here we go. So we're looking at, we'll call it 379.50 to make sure it goes through. So we're going to trade, we're going to buy. We're going to go into the limit order, and we're going to call it 379, 15. We'll give it a little bit of movement for the market makers. Extended hours, yes. Today, yes. One share, yes. Just one share, please. Review that. And let's see if we can get it. It doesn't matter to me if it goes down anymore. I'm just getting another market share completed. There we go. And I bought it for 379.10. There we go. Now, it went for the lowest price possible. You might say, well, why didn't you put 379.04? Because it wouldn't have gone through. It needs to allow something for the market makers. 379.10 is because it's bouncing around. Even though you can't see it, it's like that. If it had for some reason been 379.06, it would have gone at that point. All right. So now I've got a share. Now it's 3% of my portfolio. If I come back to my Roth IRA, now you can see I was down 0.5%. I'm now down 0.03. So I'm virtually flat now, right? Which is great. Now, if that's it now, that's just there earning my dividend, which is guaranteed and has always gone up over the last 70 years or whatever it is. And if we get the S&P today go down 5%, or even 1%, 2%, I will buy another one, and then it'll have to go down again, and I'll slowly start to accumulate some insurance on my Roth IRA, because it's a very important part of my overall strategy. Now we bought some S&P. We want to buy some gold as well. Let's go down through the comments. I calculated that I should have an over 7% chance to win the great prize. How have you calculated that? How do you possibly know that? Good morning, Mika Flemons. Good morning. Hi, Keaton S. Good morning, Keaton S. Is GMC or Chevrolet in financial difficulty? JP Rothschild, I honestly don't know. Great to see the crypto donations getting better every day. Mullen Automotive, big squeeze possible. Another GME or AMC, quite possibly. Let's open up Mullen right now. Let's duplicate this screen for a moment and bring in Mullen, M-U-L-N. We want to have it on the screen. Mullen. Now then, I quadrupled my position yesterday, so I'm down 24%. I was down 68%, something like that. Get ready for Mullen Automotive, big squeeze today. Don't miss out. Bullish says more money. Well, we shall see. There's my Mullen position. Great to see crypto donations getting better every day. So we have a few things to do today. We have a few upgrades on the show. We've got our biggest ever giveaway coming up tomorrow, $125 cash. There's going to be some surprises throughout the day, so stay active. You don't want to miss any of it. It's going to be really, really exciting today with our biggest ever giveaway. You don't want to miss it. Lots of stuff to talk about. Okay, now then. Let me bring up this on the screen. Now, how many people have got watching now before I make this announcement? We're doing a little... Right, here we go. We've got enough people. So, you ready? We're going to make a little announcement now. You ready? Okay. You've been asking about crypto giving on the show. Some of you said, well, I want to tip you without doing a super chat, but I still want the animation, the fun. Right. We're now running a test. Okay, we can only accept a few crypto at the moment because I haven't paid for the pro service. Look at this. Crypto tip. You can see what happens if you try it. Crypto tip is martynlucas.com/tip. martynlucas.com/tip. So what happens if you click on that? Well, I will show you. You end up coming to this page. martynlucas.com/tip. You don't have to sign up for anything. It's a free way to send money if you want to. Crypto tip for Martyn Lucas Investor. You click on that and it'll bring you to this page. That's my Twitter account right there if you want to follow me on Twitter and share the fact that you've done a crypto tip. And you can then select, at the moment, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Litecoin's probably the cheapest way to do it. And put in a message there and your name. Put your username from YouTube so we know it's you. And you'll light up on the screen. And that's how you do it. and then you donate to Streamer. What it does is it shows you on the screen my QR code for my wallets of those currencies on Coinbase. And in my Coinbase, I will see a little tip and you will get the animation on the screen. Pretty cool, right? You've been asking about it for a while. So there you go. That's that. We've also got another exciting thing as well. We have upgraded our newsletter. We've upgraded our newsletter, and it hasn't been working for nearly 2 weeks. Not because of me, because of the provider hasn't been providing it, basically. So let me share that update with you now as well. Great to see Crypto Nation's getting better every day. Hi Marty, hi Malk UK, hi Sensei Malk. Gold is a good buy, needs to be part of the portfolio. Yes, I am now going over to gold, GLD, so just bear with me now. Duplicate. Let's add my GLD. So we bought some S&P this morning. We're also adding some gold. Now, I'm up 2.6%. I want to just wait for a little downturn on gold, and then I will pick some gold up. So we'll watch that throughout the morning. Capital gains exemption. What physical gold? I've no idea about that. I couldn't possibly say. Right, okay, so we're watching Robinhood. We took $300 out of it. It's going up now. I'm going to buy it on the pullback. I bought the S&P this morning with my profits from Virgin Galactic and Robinhood. So that's how crypto giving works. martynlucas.com/tip. And then you can try it. Now, if it works, I can invest $50 and I can upgrade to the Pro version, which allows me to receive all of the crypto on Coinbase. Right now, it's just Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So you might say to me, it would be good if you invested $50. Well, I can invest $50 when I've made $60. If I make $60, then perhaps I will invest $50. Anyway, let's see if it works. If it works, you should get an animation on the screen. You should get an animation on the screen. Okay, and what it'll actually, in fact, I'm not going to do it because I know I've already tested it. I know it works. You will see what happens. Right, now then, also we have upgraded because our competitions are getting better and we're giving away $125 in cash, which I could send XRP. Coinbase, you can send XRP. I can receive XRP on Coinbase, can't I? I can send XRP. On Coinbase, I can receive XRP. At the moment, I can't because I've not paid for the upgrade. If anyone like you, Ali, think, well, actually, I'd like you to receive XRP for $5. You can do it. This is how you do it on the donation page. Rather than selecting one of these 3 coins, you can select donate 1 Upcoin Pro for a month. I think it's $5, and then you can give XRP. Anyway, there it is. You've been asking about it. We'll move on from that now. Can you please check IDAI? I mentioned it a few days ago. Yes, I will. Just before I do that for ETORO, I want to tell you about our upgraded newsletter. So, martynlucas.com/links. Okay, here is the page that you've always used before. It hasn't changed. Now, if you've not signed up for the newsletter, I'm talking to you right now because I want to test it. I need a new email. So there we go. All links. There is the link. I'll give it you 3 times so you can see it. What you'll see is this same page as always, and this is the new sign up. Okay, there you go. You put your email in there, right? So I put my email in there. Look, okay, I agree, and I click sign up. Okay, and I can do it. If you've already done it, you can do it again. It doesn't enter you again, of course. I can click sign up. All right, subscription successful. Please check your inbox. Please check your inbox. When you check your inbox, it'll bring you up to the screen saying subscription successful. Until you've seen subscription successful, you've not signed up. Okay, so there you go. If someone could do that, I can actually test to see if it's working, because I can see on the screen how many we've got. Currently, we've got 347 on the list. So if it goes up, this is my subscribers. Look, you see? Here's my subscribers. It's a brand new dashboard. They've upgraded all the systems. There it is, 347 for this newsletter. Okay? So we'll come back to that in a minute, and we'll see if anyone's managed to do it. That way I'll know what your experience was. Okay. Now then, you've got one more day to get our biggest ever giveaway. It's $125 in cash. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. Here is the link in the chat. Shall we see if anybody's done the daily tickets today? $125 in cash, and also 15 hours of one-on-one training. This is the competition page. We've given away now 2,798 tickets. There you go. Shall I refresh it to see if anyone's done the daily ticket? 2798. 2850. There we go. More people done it. Brilliant. There you go. All right. Now, some people have tried to scam it. We've had the scammers, and if you are using false emails, unverified emails, if you've got the same name with 50 emails, guess what? Ali, because Ali sponsored this service for me. Ali, it works really, really well. Scammers, don't waste your time. We've got people doing it, and don't worry, they won't be included. It's incredible. I've seen certain names that no one here. It's nobody who watches live. It's someone who's watched a video and thought, I can scam this, I can get $125. And they've created loads of emails with different names, but it recognizes the IP address. And I've got like 1,000 entries from a few people, and they've all come up as invalid. So the service works really well, Ali, to protect against that. And some people have gone on and commented on the video without going through here as well. That's another thing someone's done. They've seen that there's a competition going on, so they've commented on a video 50 times without doing it through the competition page, so it hasn't registered it. So it works really well. It's not for scammers. It's not for lazy people. It's for people that watch the show, who engage. Yeah, great. It's really great. It's really great. It was well worth our investments, Ali, on this, and I like that. I like the fact that it makes it really worthwhile to the real people, and some clown can't come along thinking, because the day's going to come when I'm going to give away $1,000 on my show, and someone's going to come along and think, well, I can do that. Sensei donated $8.11. The first of there. Look at that, Litecoin. Look at that. It worked. It worked. Did everybody see that? It worked. Absolutely brilliant. It worked. That was absolutely awesome. I can add sound effects to that as well. There you go. Look at that. That's our very first crypto giving. That was Litecoin. If I upgrade the account, or someone donates $5 for a pro account, then I can accept anything. But right now, we're just doing it like that as a test. There he goes. So if you wanted to, so Ali, what did that cost you? What did that cost you to do it? So there's no fees, right? It's like a super chat without fees. YouTube, we're so sorry. YouTube are going to love me. I feel I have a fair chance with over 7%. You have a fair chance. How did you calculate that, by the way? How did you come up with that? How do you? Oh, I guess. Oh, I see. You know how many tickets you've got, and you've seen how many tickets there are. Oh, I see. That makes sense. That makes sense, ETORO. I get what you're saying. Yeah. I was thinking, how can you work that out? Now I understand. Right. So the S&P, we've just bought one, and we're waiting for now a 5. Yes, remember the S&P doesn't move that much unless we have a big crash. Generally, the S&P will move 1-2% on a really bad day. So if it goes down 1% today, and remember, I want to own it long term. I want to own it long term. I can buy another share and then sell that one share when it goes up. That's the idea. Okay, we can day trade it if you like. Virgin Galactic. Oh, that's a scary sign. Algo trading, barcoding on Virgin Galactic. That's not good. That's not good. We don't want to see that. Anyway, let's go back to Robinhood now. I just had some breaking news. Robinhood is going up. I'm going to buy it when it gets back down again. Right. 0.00000 Litecoin. So around. Wow. That. Right. So that's what it cost you to send it. Brilliant. So we've just discovered the very, very best way to do a super chat. That's how you can do it. That's how you can do it. You can send like that, and it cost 4.0000043 cents. Fantastic, and it was instant too. So now if I look on that page, it should show me on the home page. It should on my dashboard. It should show me. Let me log in with YouTube. Yeah. Martyn Lucas Investor. Right. There we go. I thought I was already logged in. Anyway, whatever. Okay. Disconnect. Right. Okay. Subscribe. Right. Okay. Here we go. So, donations. I should be able to see that come up. And there it is. There it is. Look at that. That now works. 0.1 Litecoin. There it is. Look at that. There is the thing. Now, let me click on that. I don't know what happens if I do, so I'll just do it privately for a minute. Oh, there we go. Now I can see what it says. It says Sensei, the first of many, I hope. There we go. Look at that. That address is where it came from. Yeah, that's your sending address. That's fine. I can show that, can't I? Wasn't very instant, unfortunately. It takes around 5 minutes with LTC and sending from Coinbase. Okay. Well, there are other coins that are faster, hence why it says I should upgrade. Now, if I go to my Coinbase wallet, I'm assuming, as I didn't have any LTC, did I? Is that part of our crypto challenge? Is it part of our crypto challenge? Let me have a look now. Notifications. April 13th. That was a while ago. I've not received a notification yet on my wallet. I'm assuming it is. That's the sending wallet. Okay. All right. I'm assuming it will show on my crypto wallet, my Coinbase wallet. It's not showing yet, but it doesn't come straight away, does it? It doesn't always come straight away. Let me check my email a second. Let me. There you go. I have. Yes, I can see it. I've got an email from Coinbase. So yes, I can see the email from Coinbase. Oh, there's a notification. There's a notification. Yep. So it works. It works. You receive Litecoin from an external account. Is it part of the crypto? It is part of the crypto challenge. Thank you. That's right. So there it is. Yeah, and that's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like on my phone. There you go. Receive Litecoin. So there you go. If you want to do a super chat, that's how you can do it. Very cool. Isn't that cool? That's very, very cool. Very, very cool indeed. It's great because we can promote when we talk about crypto. It'll bring a new audience. It shows you the benefits of crypto. It's instant. Well, it took 5 minutes. I mean, that's instant, right? 5 minutes. It was free. There's no charges. There's no middleman. I mean, it's phenomenal, right? Phenomenal. Excellent stuff. Anyway. Okie dokie. So we've got. I had a request to. That is awesome, Martin. Isn't it fantastic? Isn't it absolutely fantastic? MartynLucas.com/tip. Absolutely brilliant. What an amazing. I can do that for my charities as well, because if I do a charity fundraiser and I create well, I wouldn't even need to create anything special, would I? Because it'll tell me what I've earned on that day, so I can share on the screen what I've earned that day and then send that. That's brilliant. That's absolutely brilliant. What a great way to be able to support others. Wow, no fees for you. That's the main thing. I don't like when YouTube takes 30%. I want all my money going to you. I want all your money going to me as well. That sentiment is good. I'm right with you there. I'm right with you there, Ali. Yep, I'm right with you there. I think all your money should go to me. That's basically, I'm the tax man. I'm all over that. Right, now then. Now, as you can see, the S&P, I was down 0.5%. And I then bought one share of the S&P this morning, and now it's down 0.25%. That's expected, and I don't mind it. I've got no issue with that whatsoever. I'm not going to buy it every time it goes down 0.25% though, because we'll be up to like $1 million in 5 minutes. We're not doing that because the S&P, we've had a bear market rally. Or whether you think we're in a bull market or not, then you decide. But most people would say we're in a bull market, a bear market rally. Anyway, you can decide that. We've got 20 minutes to go. And let's welcome our guests over there on Rumble this morning. I'm very excited to tell you we're at 82 followers now. I'm trying to get to 100 by tomorrow. Now then, did anybody sign up for the newsletter that hasn't done it before? Because I wanted to see if it works today. Our brand new newsletter, which you'll get on Sunday. I will never use your emails. I wouldn't even know how to. I've just got them in the service that I can send you an email once every Sunday. And we have our cash giveaways. We have all sorts of stuff. And we're upgrading our cash giveaways to give away more and so on and so forth. Okay. It's a whole new upgraded newsletter. So I want to just jump on in and see if anyone has been able to do it. It was at 347. It's the same. Okay, I want to see if that goes up. If you can do that, if you've not yet done it, it'd be really, really cool. Be really, really cool. Virgin Galactic, we want to buy under $4. Oh, I had a request, didn't I? I had a request for one of you. Let me scroll up. ETORO, can I please check IDAI? IDAI, yes I can. IDAI. T-stamp, is this the one? Up 7.55% today. Let's have a look. What do you want me to do? Do you want a full review? Let's have a little look. T-Stamp engages in the provision of identity verification services to facilitate internet mediated economic and social transactions. It guards against identity theft and friendly fraud, providing a secure digital token verifying the user's photograph, identity and trustworthiness. T-Stamp. Interesting. I've never heard of this before. Around since 2015. Doesn't pay a dividend. It's a growth stock. Let's have a little look. Fell off a cliff. Was it a SPAC? No. Well, that's a good sign. Hate SPACs. They always lose money. Special acquisition, blank check company. All the way down. It's now a penny stock. And when it went past $5, it became a penny stock. I would need to do more research. I will keep it open. I'll do more research on it. I know nothing about this one at all. I will keep it open for you, and I will review it when I've got more information on it. I honestly couldn't tell you. I'd need to... Something so niche like this, with no real history, it loses money. It's grown since it started. I mean, it's considerably higher than it was. It might make money on its next earnings, May 23rd, and next week. It might. I don't know. I'd need to look at the balance sheet. With this one, need to look at the balance sheet, see how much money they hold on cash, see how risky this is, see what their debt situation is like before I could make a comment. Is that fair? I think that's probably the fair estimate on that. Rich, crypto miners are holding up extremely well considering Bitcoin's volatility. I'm guessing due to recent encouraging mining figures paired with the price increase this year. Yeah, but we are going to get a big drop in crypto very shortly. If you want to talk to our crypto expert, Sensei Crypto has a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, and also a $10,000 to $7,000 to $100,000 challenge as well. And if you ask me about that, and I can explain, I would say it's risky. I honestly don't want to say ETORO. I don't know the answer to the question. I'd need to research it first. Okay, now then, let's have a quick look. Fantastic. Your order to buy one share of S&P has gone through. Okay. Okay. Now then, we've got 15 minutes to go. Sensei, I'll ask you to do this then. It would be helpful if you could do this. One of my moderators, Sensei, Eric, Mike, one of you three able to do a bit of admin for me? Sensei, Eric, or Mike, I want you to just do something for me, to test something for me. It's not going to cost any money. It's completely free. Not asking you to spend money. Can one of you just volunteer for a little job for me? Sensei, Mike, or Eric, I think, can do this for me. As you know, my website got taken down, moved over to a different platform, open to release a new website and services at the end of the month. We'll come back stronger. Absolutely. Yes. What shall we do? Okay. So, have you got, Sensei, or Mike, you can both do it. Have you got one of my newsletters that you've not deleted? Because I don't know if you keep them or delete them. Have you got one of my newsletters? If you have, can you click unsubscribe at the bottom of the newsletter? I want to see if this number of 347 goes down. Once it does, you do. Sensei does. Okay, go to a newsletter, go to the bottom and click unsubscribe. Tell me when you've done it. Don't resubscribe, just unsubscribe. And it doesn't affect anything. It doesn't affect your history. It just takes you off the list temporarily. I want to see if the number goes down. And then once I can confirm that, then you could go and do it again. All right. So when you've done that, let me know, and then done. Okay. So here we go. Thank you very much indeed. So 347 should, if I refresh, go to 346. 346. Now it hasn't done it yet. I wonder how long it takes. Okay, don't do anything yet. I did it, Martin. Unsubscribe. Okay. Don't do anything yet, guys. Don't resubscribe yet. Don't resubscribe. Maybe it'll take a few minutes. I don't know. Let's have a look. State. Sort by. Let me see. Let me see if it's gone inactive. I'm assuming it should have done. If you've unsubscribed, I don't know if it's... I would have thought it'd be straight away. But anyway, just bear with me a second. It's a... Oh no, that's me. Okay, that's me. I need to do it as well. Scrolling down the list, there's nowhere to search at the moment. They've released a new service, but it's not that accurate, I don't think. Okay, we've got 10 minutes before the bell goes, so we've got chance to do a little bit of admin this morning. It's not showing anything inactive. I don't know what your emails are, because I don't ask for your names, so I can't associate. That's for security purposes. I can't search by email. Otherwise, I could just search for email, right? But I don't know what it is, and I don't want you to share that with me. You clicked unsubscribe, right? I think I know what it might... No, hang on. I think I know what it might be. I think you would need the new email. So, I think it's that. I don't think you've unsubscribed from this service. That's probably what it is. Until you get the new newsletter. So what we're going to do is Sensei, Eric, and Mike, because 3 of you just done it. Can you go into Discord, so it's private, into a private message and send me your email? I'm going to send you a test email so you can resubscribe that way. I think that's what's happened. I don't think you're going to be able to unsubscribe until you get the new newsletter. Does that make sense? The old newsletter probably won't work. It might be that. So if you could send me your email via a private message in Discord, I can then send you a test message. It says unsub request sent. I don't do it yet. I didn't do it yet, so I won't. No, don't do it, Mike. Don't do it, Mike. It should work on any email. No, yeah, but it's a different widget. It's a different widget for signing up and unsubscribing. Do you see what I mean? It's a different system. It says I've unsubscribed now. Let me refresh again. So no, it hasn't reduced the number. It hasn't reduced the number. We've got 8 minutes to go. Let me just check again then. It hasn't set you as inactive. It hasn't changed you. Let me check again. I'm going through the list. I can't search by email because I don't have your email, and I don't want your email for security purposes. you are looking on the Martyn Lucas Investor one, aren't you? Just to make sure, because that's the list I'm looking through. No, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I have sent my email. Thank you very much. We've got 7 minutes to go. So let me go into Discord right now. Now I can see your email. Okay. Now I can search for it. Thank you, Ali, for that. And let's go over to. If I run out of time, I'll pick this up later. Okay. Search. Now I can search for you. Yeah, it says you're active. It says you're still active, so it hasn't unsubscribed you. So I want to send a new campaign. We'll just call this test. Test. Duplicate. And let's see. Let's see if I can just send a test. Okay. Send a name from email. Okay. Okay, we've got 5 minutes to go. I'll have to come back to this, but thank you very much. I'll do it after the show. I think we've just about run out of time. From Martyn Lucas to... there's the 2, right. I was thinking, where is the 2? Aha, I can't send it to an individual. Okay, 2. So... recipients. Okay, I'll create a new list. We'll call this test. Whoops a daisy. I can do it, Ali. I can do it. Create list. Add a recipient. Here we go. There you go. And send double option mail to. There we go. Set permission. Set permission for this. Only unregistered residents we mailed. Only. Okay, save. Okay, active. Okay, I can now do that, send that to you. I can do a little test, Ali. Here we go. And I can send it to the test account, which is only you. Okay. Test. We've got 3 minutes to go. I can do it now. Send now. Here we go. Confirm sending. Confirm sending. All right. So, Ali, I've just sent you the message. It's done. It's gone. Now, hopefully now you can get it. Don't do anything. When you get it, tell me you've got it. Once you've got it, then we'll see if you can unsubscribe and it goes to 0, okay? So just confirm to me you've got it first. With your permission, I'll be creating Martyn Lucas Clips channel next month. Absolutely. Please feel free, as long as you don't use my logo or try to imitate me and pretend to be me, that's fine. Right, you got it. Brilliant. It works. Okay. Now then, I want you to click unsubscribe from the bottom. Tell me when you've done that. We've got 2 minutes to go. This is all good timing. Perfect. The S&P is just coming up now. We bought one this morning. We're only now buying it if it drops 1 or 2%. We want to buy gold as well. It's not quite there. When you've unsubscribed, let me know. And then we know that you have to be, it has to come from the new newsletter. It makes perfect sense, really. Done. Okay, you've unsubscribed. Aha, there you go. It's done it. It works. It works. It's now gone to zero. It's now gone to zero. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So, campaigns. 2 minutes ago. So, Ali, go to my website now and sign up for the widget. There you go. I've put it back into test. Right? Brilliant. Okay. Yes, Ali, don't pretend to be Martyn. 1 minute to go. Ali, okay, so now go back to martynlucas.com/links and sign up, and it should put you back on the list. And what a great bit of work we've done there before the bell. Okay, we've got 30 seconds to go. Let's see if we can get it done. I'm all ready to ring the bell for Sensei Crypto. Thank you for that tremendous amount of work there. In 30 seconds, Ali, sign up for it. Did you get the confirmation email? Yes, and it's back in again. It's back in again. Done, and it worked. Fantastic. There we go. What a great job we've done this morning. Absolutely brilliant. I love it. I love it. Right, you ready? Okay. 10 seconds to go. Thanks, Ali, for doing that. I really appreciate it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck, everybody. There we go. Sensei Crypto has rung the bell this morning. I've got to work out how to ring this better. I always feel a bit uncomfortable doing it like that. All right, let's go straight into it. What a great bit of work we've done this morning. Awesome. So that's what it is. You need to obviously have the old email to be able to do it. All right, here we go. So the markets are going up. Let's go. The S&P 500. We just bought on. We just added up. We got back in again with our profits we made from Robinhood and Virgin Galactic. So that is good. That is my S&P. You can see is slightly down, and we'll buy it every time it goes down 1%. And we'll add increasing amounts. If it goes down like 10%, obviously I'd buy 4 or 5 shares, obviously. Virgin Galactic, I've got my long-term position, and we're going back up again now. Robinhood. Also, looking at Robinhood for a drop. Take a look at Google. Google is up today, 2.97. The reason for this is it's one of the first businesses to react to everybody else doing well. It means everyone's going to spend money with Google. Great. It's now becoming expensive. I don't want to buy any more just yet. Let's see how much it's down by, though. It's had a bit of a dip, but we won't just keep buying it. We want to make sure that we stay on the right side of it. Thanks, Ali, for doing that. That was a really good bit of work this morning, got done. I really appreciate it a lot. Welcome, everybody over there on Rumble. Let me check my numbers here on YouTube. Thanks for joining me. I'm glad that no one unsubscribed. With us doing all that work this morning. I was thinking, oh my gosh, am I going to get slaughtered for doing all this work? But it's the only way you can do it is doing it on air. Anyway. Morning, Ed Nevius. How are you this morning? Okay, here we go. The overall portfolio is dropping S&P. Here we go, 0.36. Good luck today. Craig, good morning, Ed. Let's have a look over the year. It's been flat, 3.23. It's just a little bit expensive, though, but, if the bull market's beginning, it's always something you want to own. the S&P. So we took our profits. We've got 1,437 more money than I've ever had in my Roth IRA ever. And I've got nearly $3,000 in my brokerage account. Looking to buy some gold as well today. So $300 a day is our target. Ed Nevius, are you a crypto man? We added a new service this morning, martynlucas.com/tip. You can do a live crypto tip live on the show. You can give you get all the super chat animation without the fees, without the costs, without the middleman. It's a new service for those that enjoy tipping on crypto. You can do it live on the show. martynlucas.com/tip, TIP. Okay. The Virgin Galactic. Look at this barcoding going on. A lot of algo trading. I don't like seeing that. Mullen today. Apparently, we're going to get a short squeeze today. Gold. Would be great if you could make text to speech on it. Would be great if you could make text to speech on it. What do you mean, text to speech? What exactly do you mean by that? I have no idea what you mean by that. I'll tell you that. Looking at gold. Rivian. Want to buy it? I took the profits, so it's good. Want to buy it back down. Tesla. Let's go to my Roth position. Down 3%. Not cheap enough to buy any more yet. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's, still too expensive, but getting better though, 13%. The Millennium Agents, Millennium Agent Jose, morning from California. Good morning to you. Welcome to you. How are you this morning? It's lovely to have you here on the show. I was going to say, where are you from? But you've told us. Lovely to have you here. What a nice welcome that is. From a brand new guest, welcome to our channel. We go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day. I have my music channel in the evening. I'm known as the World Piano Man, as voted by Sir Elton John. And by day, I trade from my TV studio here. We do live music and we raise money for charities. And we're here to help and support people. And this morning, we've just upgraded our newsletter. So if you want to sign up for our newsletter, you can. We've got a brand new newsletter. We're giving away $125 cash this week. We're very excited about that. So if you want to sign up for our newsletter, it's martynlucas.com/links. Make sure that when you click subscribe, that you verify the email. If you don't verify when you get the verification email, if you don't do that, it opens up the page and says you're successful, you won't receive the newsletter on Sunday. All right, and this is the martynlucas.com/links sign up page for our weekly newsletter that goes out on Sunday. There it is. There is your sign up right there. Okay, very, very easy. Okie dokie. And now tomorrow we're giving away $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training as well with Ed Nevius for free. It costs absolutely nothing. There's nothing we're selling you. We're just giving it to you. On the crypto donation page, make it speak out loud. Oh, I see. Oh, on the crypto donations message, make it speak out like an animation. Yeah, I can add an audio clip to that. I can do that. Good luck today, Ed Nevius. Good morning, Craig. Who else have we got this morning here? We've got, with all our guests, welcome our new guest in today. Pac West, trading paused after shares sink 29%, more banking problems. I've been watching you for months. I am big on Virgin Galactic. Sounds good. I will look into the newsletter. Okay. Thank you very much indeed. Tomorrow, we're giving away $125 in cash. So make sure that you take part in that. It's our biggest and best ever giveaway. That's tomorrow. This is our giveaway page here. All right. One entry can win you the prize. Do as many entries as you want. It's entirely up to you. Completely free. There you go. And we're having some fun this morning. We've just released a brand new service, Crypto Tip for Martyn Lucas. There you go. If you want to have an animation on the screen and you'd rather do that than a super chat, there's no deductions, no fees whatsoever. And you can actually do a tip live on the show on crypto and get the full animation on the screen. And we're going to build that out as we go. Welcome in, says Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius is given the prize. He's donating the prize. That's tomorrow. Let's carry on going through our stocks. Coca-Cola is going down. We're up 5%. J&J is down 3.3% on my main account. I am still up on it, so I'm not going to buy any yet. The banner says links. The banner says links, not tip. What do you mean, Eric? You've confused me. The banner says links, not tip. This comment I'm putting in the chat now is for the email, martynlucas.com/links. That is for the email and the audience, all the information. The crypto giving page is martynlucas.com/tip, which is this one, which is there on the banner on the ticker right now. There you go. So I think it's all correct. If I've got something wrong, please tell me and I'll fix it. I don't think I have though. I think it's you. I think you've got it all wrong. Google today, 4.43%. Absolutely phenomenal. Look at that. 5 shares. We are soaring away right now. Let me have a look at Google. 92% say buy. Expected June 20th. Is that June 25th? Next earnings, July 25th. Yeah, we just had an earnings, haven't we? So doing very, very nicely. I think I've got 1 share. I've got 6 shares. It's okay. It's 1% of my main account and it's 1% of my Roth. It's okay. I would have liked a bit more before that bounce, but I'm not buying it now. We want to wait for a pullback. It's good. I like it, but I'm not buying it now. Microsoft going down, still up 27%. Very nice indeed. Walmart going down. It's too expensive right now. Next Era Energy is up 0.14. Enphase is my main account, is down 28, but my Roth is down 0.49. Bitcoin going back down to 15,000. That's what we think. Eric B, would you come back to me to make sure that I got that right? Tilray is down 0.7. Robinhood has kept going. We made $300 from it last night, and what did we do with the money? We invested it in our in the S&P. Have we got gold on offer yet? No, not yet. Not really. Not really. I'd like to buy some more gold, but we're not yet. Virgin Galactic 168 today. Brilliant. Straight up. Look at that. I've got it in my long-term position now, which is very nice. But SBFM Holt. Ed Nevius, we've got a breaking news here. SBFM Holt. There you go. Okay, let's see if anyone signed up for the newsletter so I can see it working. We know it's working now, though, thanks to Sensei Crypto for helping us out with that. No one signed up yet. I just wanted to see if anybody new could come on in. All right. Virgin Galactic looking good. I took my profits. I'm holding my long-term position, which is lovely, but I'm not adding any more yet. We're still at an all-time high. We're all-time high from yesterday morning. We've dropped off $100 from my all-time high altogether. As you can see, we got to 54,600. So we're just off that, but that's okay. Can't be up every day. There you go. Looking good. So, opportunity now. What we're looking for now. We're starting to add back with our profit. We've got 1,400 in our Roth. And we've got 2,700 in our brokerage account. We're not using any of that. We're earning 4%, 4.65% uninvested cash. That's my backup money. That's what pays my bills. I use Robinhood as a bank. Remember, my uninvested cash is swept to Chase and Wells Fargo, and as of the 1st of June, I get 2 million FDIC insurance. So it's more secure than banks. They only offer 1.5 million. Not that that bothers me at all. I don't have that amount of money. Going to a crypto conference, London, next month, hoping to produce a video interviewing some of the speakers. We would love to do a live feed with you, Sensei, if we could set that up, or call in, or be amazing. Yes. I see the tip link now. Thank you. I also resubscribed to the newsletter. Okay. Yes, Eric. We've learned this morning that you can't unsubscribe from the old one, the old email. It needs the new email to unsubscribe you. So you're already subscribed to the newsletter, and you can only unsubscribe from it when you receive the next newsletter. The old ones don't work. We proved that with Sensei, and the sign up does actually work now. So we know we're all good. Anyway, Eric, thank you for explaining that. Right, S&P. It's going back up again. So that's nice. We want it. It's 3% of my portfolio. I'd like it to go up to 10%. Not as much as my brokerage account, because this is my trading account. But however, you can trade the S&P just as good as you can anything else. At least you're kind of guaranteed you're not going to lose your money, because you're not. You're never going to lose your money. You might go down for a while, but you'll always be up long term. Trading the S&P is what some people do. It's all they ever do. It's a great way of doing it. You got your dividends, and long term you're always going to be up, right? It's a very secure way of doing it. You don't make massive growth, but it's a good way to trade without any tax or any capital gains, because you're doing it on your Roth IRA. So why not? Virgin Galactic, very nice indeed. I'm up. I'm holding this position now, holding this long term. So we're enjoying that. We've got the flights next week. I can't believe everybody overreacted and dumped all their stocks. It was great. I made money from doing it, but only on my Roth, not my main account. It would be daft to do that. Anyway, off she goes, up to $10 once we start flying. So we're going to hold that, and that could triple over the next 2-3 weeks. Anyway, Mullen up today, 2.52. Gold, we're trying to buy some gold today. T-Stamp, Rivian, looking for a discount. It did well on earnings, consistently growing, still losing money, however. Remember that. So that pot was very generous, and it returned to normality afterwards. Anyway, that's all good. Tesla going back down. I'd love to buy it for now. I could. I think most people now are saying at 160 is the bottom for Tesla. It was $60, but now with the refining coming in, a lot of people are suggesting that we are looking at a bottom of 160 for Tesla now. So in my Roth, I could pick up another share of Tesla, lower my average a bit. I do like it, I have to say now. I think 163, 167. I'm down 2.65. If I buy one, it won't make much difference. And remember, until I can get my 189, I'm not making money on my overall position anyway. On my last share I bought, my first share I bought. I would not buy Tesla, already 22.5% of portfolio. Yeah, that is the case. But remember why I'm buying it. Remember, I'm always 3 or 4 moves ahead. All right? The reason why I'm buying it, if I bought one today, is if I bought Tesla now, my average would drop. Maybe 172 would become 171, 170. Maybe if I bought one or two. That's nice. But we're on 17 shares now. My 18th and 19th shares, my first shares, are still at 189. So if I want to sell for a real profit, I still want to get to 189. The point is, though, is I was looking at this now of keeping this long term and not selling. However, if I keep adding at lower prices, I am really comfortable with selling at 189 when it goes up there, because it will in time. And then I can make a profit, tax-free, Roth IRA, and reduce the balance of my allocation back down, while keeping the lower value stocks, building in the security and profitability for the future. So it's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. But I'm not in a rush to spend my uninvested cash. I'm not in a rush. I want to pick up some more VU, some more gold, some more crypto. So I'm not in an absolute rush to spend my money. I'm not like I want to spend it. I'm not looking to do that. Mullen, gold. Okay, gold's getting a bit more interesting. Just hold some cash, Martin. 22. Just to update you on how much cash I have right now. We have I just bought one share of the S&P this morning as a new marker as it comes down to bring it down. 1,473 in my Roth. And in my brokerage account, I have 2,000. See? So I've got 4,200 bucks. Got plenty of money in cash. It's not, but this is, I don't spend this. This I earn 4.65% on, right? Now then, gold. Gold is dropping. We could have a little nibble at gold in a minute. Yes, but you can do the same when Tesla goes to 120. Yeah, of course. That'd be much better. Yeah, absolutely right. 80 and then sell at 109. You're absolutely right, Sensei. But no one knows when and if that's going to happen, do they? Gold is having a little bit of a discount. Now, I only set my marker the other day. You got me into gold. I like the idea of owning gold. I do. So I'm going to start to increase on gold. Now, I've got 25 bucks right now, and I'm up 44 cents. And I'm going to buy it. Let's just get a little bit of a dip if we can. It doesn't really matter long term. That's not why you buy gold. I'm learning more about it. Long term, it doesn't matter where you buy it. You just hold it forever. And that's kind of the idea of that. And obviously, if you want to trade someone, if it pops up, then you can. But anyway, as I'm starting to accumulate, it makes sense if I can get a little bit of a discount. Why not? Fed. I am now on more hawkish end of the Fed policy spectrum. Data is driving my policy expectations. Fed. I am now on the more hawkish end of the Fed policy spectrum, says Kashkari. 10% would be considered a low level of cash for a portfolio. Maybe aim to keep a 10% reserve. Why would you want 10% all the time, though? Just period. I mean, what would be the point of just holding it forever? I mean, the idea is you hold cash to buy dips. You don't just hold cash for holding cash sake, right? There's no point. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't earn any money. In my brokerage account, it does. It earns 4.65. But in my Roth IRA, it doesn't do anything. Did you do a bit of research on gold? Yes, I'm doing more daily. You do need some silver too, Martin. Yeah, I'm more Goldfinger, mate. I'm more gold. I'm trying to say your average price wouldn't change if you buy Tesla now. Might drop. You know, you're right. No, you're absolutely right. It would only go down by $1. You're absolutely right. But remember my motto: every dollar counts. I've got no issue with $1. Right. Let's go back and have a look. If you want to be in on our cash prize draw tomorrow, it's our best ever cash giveaway. Here it is, $125 in cash. And that would be absolutely awesome. If you win it. So here is our best ever giveaway link, martynlucas.com/giveaway. There is the link for tomorrow, $125 in cash. And we're also looking, if you look on the bottom of the screen now, martynlucas.com/tip. If you want to do a tip rather than a super chat, 100% goes to me. If you want to do that, you can do it via crypto, live on the screen. You can do that as well. Okay, and it will bring you to the tip page. This is the tip page, martynlucas.com/tip. You haven't got to sign up. You haven't got to use any gas fees. It's all free. Absolutely brilliant. There you go. And our newsletter sign up now is working again. It wasn't working for a while. They took the service away and they replaced it, which at the moment is a bit basic, but they say it'll be better once they built it out. Anyway, we shall see how that goes. It's on, of course, the sign-up page, which is martynlucas.com/links if you want to sign up for our newsletter. It comes out on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Okay, let me go over to Discord, Rumble. We're at 82 followers there now. Absolutely great. 83. Woohoo! Yes. 17 to go by tomorrow to get to 100 in 2 weeks. I'm very excited if we can do that. Would be a hell of a thing. Here he is. Here he is. The legend, the man, Mozart. Hang on, this is a different, is this your old account? Is this a different account? Or are you no longer a member? Oh, this is Muzanella, everybody. Muzanella is one of our biggest fans of the show. I don't know if he's got a different account. He's signed in with something different. I don't know. Or he may no longer be a member. I don't know. This is Muz. Hi, just got back from Canada. We'd love to hear from you. But you can't call in, though. I don't think if you are on this account through Discord, it won't let you because you're not a member on this account. I don't know if you still are. Anyway, lovely to see you back, Moose. Moose is one of our very oldest, longest supporters of our channel. And, oh, this is a different account. I see. All right, then. Well, we have to be careful talking to you, Moose. We get lots of people pretending to be our members. So I don't know if this is the real you. You want to always sign in with your membership account because we don't know if this is the real you, mate. Because we've got lots of people pretending to be. We've got Mohammed Kahain, who's a big investor from Saudi Arabia, and he's a gold member, and he has lots of accounts coming in pretending to be him. So we have all sorts of issues. Anyway, I don't like holding cash, then start buying gold as if gold is if you don't like holding cash, then start buying gold as if gold is a savings account for a rainy day. The reason you need minimum 10% cash is because you carry on buying on every 1% dip, you will run out. That's very true. Use the reserve SPY. Use the reserve. SPY drops more than 7% in a day. I can sign up with account. Mugs, etc. Oh, there you go. Mugs, etc. Private conversation. I'm not really sure what you're saying there. I think he's trying to identify himself by saying the mugs. I have to be careful. Muzanella is famous on this channel, and lots of people know that Muzanella gave mugs away. So I'm just saying, I don't know it's the real you, mate, until you come in with your real account. Someone could be trying to impersonate you, and I don't want that. Anyway, the S&P is down 0.5% today. It's had a bit of a drop. It is me. I don't know, do I? People pretend to be you and others all the time. I wish I don't know what to say. I'm trying to protect you, mate. I'm trying to protect you. As you know, we're the most honest channel on YouTube. We have to be careful. Right, Rivian, 13.96. Hey, back down where we like it. We want it to give up all its gains. We want to buy it right down here. That's what we want. There's no point otherwise. It doesn't make any money. Tesla. 2.59. It's not enough. Lucid. No. Apple. Amazon. Very nice indeed. McDonald's. Still too expensive. Coca-Cola. J&J. Down 0.25%. Won't make a difference. Good for the dividends. That's about it. Exactly as Sensei said, 10% cash is a good insurance policy. If you get a 5% drop in a day, you've saved 10% of your portfolio from it and can buy at a much cheaper level and take advantage of it. No, you're right there. Well, I am adding more cash. I'm listening to you guys and I've got more cash than I've ever had before. I've never had that amount of money in my brokerage account, and I had 1,800 a few moments ago, which was the highest I've ever had. That's the most cash I've ever had, and I have gold. So come on, my portfolio is turning into you. You're having a lot of influence. All right, you are. Tesco, next era energy. 0.69. End phase. Not enough. Bitcoin starting to see its decline now. Are we going to get that 15,000 soon? Tilray Brands. Robinhood. It's holding up. It's doing all right. That's from last night. This is where I sold it. It's slightly higher than when I sold it. But in fact, it's not. I sold it about here. Last I sold the entire position. I had a 10% swing. I made $300 over the two trades, tax-free, which is what bought me the S&P this morning. Okay? So that's what I did with it. We're down 0.58 now. My average is 379. It's down to 376. Want to buy it under 370, 360. We'll start building up our S&P again. Not just yet, though. Meta, Rio, Ford. Now tonight we are reporting IonQ. IonQ earnings tonight. I'm up 91% in my one share, and I'm up 17% here. IonQ tonight. If you want to join us, we are doing IonQ earnings tonight. Go to the homepage, and there it is. If you want to be the first person to join us, whoops, a daisy. You want to be the first person to join us for IonQ earnings. Here is IonQ earnings. This is tonight. There you go. Talking about Mohammed Kahin, Mozart. Look, see, here he is. Look, one of our gold members, and he has about 10 people pretending to be him. Anyway, flipping nightmare it is. You wouldn't believe it. Anyway, this is the IonQ earnings for tonight. Let me give you the link in the chat. Martin, this is PAC. Is PACW a buy? Is that the bank? Is that the Pacific Bank? I'm not interested in buying banks because I don't see any point. Anyway, there's IonQ. We're reporting the earnings tonight. Join us after hours if you want to be there. Let me have a quick look for you. Is PACW a buy? Oh, we're coming up now. We're coming up. Nice. All right. Is that Virgin Galactic? Yes, Virgin Galactic is taking up my portfolio today. Your portfolio is much better than it has ever been. Just need to make sure cash is part of it. Yeah, I agree. Well, can you read me and comments important? FDIC banks face billions in extra FDIC fees to cover SVB failure. Oh dear. I think I read all the comments. Martin, is PAC W a buy? Look at that. Look at Virgin Galactic. Very nice indeed. Let's have a quick look at PAC W. Is that the bank? Pacific Bank? PACW. Oh yeah, it is. I wouldn't buy it. I don't care how low it goes. You've got more regulation coming to banks, so hard for them to make money. They can't be as risky on things, which is good. You want that. However, be very hard for them to make money if they can't take more risks. They've got all the penalties that 22 is talking about. FDIC banks face billions in extra FDIC fees to cover SVB failure. Try and say that when you've had a few beers. So to me, it's all very well saying it's cheap. What's cheap though? You're buying a load of bad debt. I don't want to buy bad debt. I want someone to pay me to take the bad debt. There's instances when businesses are so bad that you can buy the whole business for $1, because no one wants the debt. That's what you're doing. When you buy shares of a company, you own the company. You own the debt. Not literally you. They're not coming around knocking on your door going, hey, you owe some money. But what I mean is if you buy a bank that's in debt and going down the toilet, well then you as a shareholder, your asset is going to go down because it owes money. So I mean it's great saying it's 90% discount over 5 years, but what's stopping the bank going bust? Now you might go, well, yeah, if it's worth buying it could swing up. You could, but I'm not in the business of buying bankrupt businesses or like Virgin Orbit. We've learned that. Look, this is what it comes down to. You might think Pacific Bank could be a good investment, but the question you should be asking yourself is it the best use of my money? Are there better investments? Maybe you could buy something else and make more money. So it's not whether it's a good investment or not. Is it the best use of my portfolio? So you may argue, if you identify what the best use of your money is, why don't you just buy one stock? The best thing to buy is XYZ, so I'm going to buy XYZ. Of course, because nobody knows. That's why you have a diverse portfolio. That's why you have insurance, why you have different interests, because you need to protect yourself if you get it wrong. All right? So you need a balanced portfolio, but at the same time, a balanced portfolio of what you think overall is the best. And is PACW, is it worth some of my money? Well, if you see it as a lottery ticket, drop $100 in it, and if it goes up 1,000%, which it could do, then great, you've got a return. I would rather not have the stress and the worry of it, quite honestly. I'd rather just not bother. I'll just buy something else. Now, if I buy the S&P now, I know some of you are going to shout at me and going, oh, don't do that. It's with the intention of selling it as a day trade. I think I've run out of day trades, though. I'm pretty sure I have. Let me check. Now, I can trade infinitely all the time, as many trades as I want. The reason why I've turned pattern day trading on, I've run out of day trades. So if I buy it now, I can't sell it today. I could do a swing trade tomorrow. And the reason why I've turned that on is because I earn money on uninvested cash and I earn money on stock lending. And I like that. That's a good way to make free money. So I like that. So I have run out of day trading options today. So if I buy that today, I won't be able to sell it today. So the idea was, if I buy it for 376, I lower my average. I've now got two sets of dividends. Brilliant. And with the very intention of selling it back at 379. So in other words, make $3. Now, some of you are going to say, why would you risk $376 to make $3? Because buying the S&P long term isn't a risk. 10 years from now, when I need it, it isn't a risk. So if I buy one now at 376 and it pops up and I can sell it for 379, which you could easily do, I make $3. If not, doesn't matter. Just can't keep doing that over and over again, obviously. Okay, let's read some of the comments. I know you already tried to balance between your weightings in Tesla, J&J, etc. If you think of cash the same way, makes sense. That does. I have higher percentage of cash when your portfolio is at I have higher percentage of cash when your portfolio is at all-time highs than have lower cash percentage when your portfolio value is comparatively lower. That makes sense. Can you please post a link for becoming a member? Yes, of course I can. Sorry for the delay. I've been talking away. It's under every video, but I will give it to you. Here it is. Moose, I'm sorry that you've been waiting. Sorry about that. You've been waiting away, and oh, bloody hell. There you go. There's the invitation to join. Moose, there you go. How are you? Are you still here? He's been waiting for like 10 minutes thinking, bloody hell, I'm trying to become a member to your channel and you're not here. What's going on? Moose, I sent it. Okay. Disney down 9% this morning. That's not for me. Good company, but I don't really find much interest in it at the moment. Boeing announces over $15 million deal with vehicle deal with MGT. Boeing, yeah. Mullen Automotive. Let me back to Mullen. Is it making any money? Not really. I quadrupled my position from 100 to 400. I was down 60%. I'm down 27% now. So there we go. Don't need to own a lot at this price to make money. Mullen announces a $15 million deal with MGT. Nice one. The overall position now, we are green again today, consistently making money now. The S&P down 0.59. Okay. Let's go for our positions. Disney's not bad for a day trade. Yes. Mario Ortiz on Facebook. How are you? Oh, there we go. Muzanella just become bronze member on this account. Fantastic. Muzanella is a yes, he is a bronze member on and he's got a gold badge. He's been a member now for a year or so. In fact, longer than that. Let's welcome him back, or welcome him as a bronze member to our channel. Thank you very much indeed. Here it comes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's welcome our new member in. You ready? Here we go. Yay! Thank you so much indeed, Moose. There you go. Hi all. So you're a bronze member on that account. Excellent stuff. Thank you so much indeed. So I can upgrade that account on. Are you on Discord? Have I upgraded you on Discord? Let me know if you need to be upgraded. You asked for the invitation to join. Oh, you've already got it. So there you go. I didn't know if you wanted it for the other account. All right. Brilliant. Thank you, Moose. Been busy working. I've not been around for a while. Lovely to have you here. My pleasure. Thank you, sir, for your support to the channel. We're growing faster and faster every day. 1 million views in 81 days. 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And it's our second anniversary. 1 month and a week from today will be 2 years old. Can you believe it? You're good on Discord. Okay, fantastic. I've got you on the homepage of the channel as a gold member. Are you no longer a gold member on the other? I guess you're not now. Okay, I need to just adjust that. I'll adjust it off air later on. We've got our members here on, whoops-a-daisy. We've got our members here, our gold, silver and gold members here on the homepage. You can see Muzanella, there he is, look. And on Fridays, which is tomorrow, we do our Members Day and we promote our members. Okay. I'll have to just move you down to bronze level now, so the golds come up here. I'll do that later on. Thank you, Moose. And we'll promote you tomorrow. Thanks for all your support, mate. Can't thank you enough. Right, now then. Good, I'm happy for you. You deserve it. You're a good dude. Thank you, Leah. Thank you very much indeed. You're a good dude. You deserve it. You're a good. Have a great show. Thank you much. Welcome back. Let's schmooze with Moose. Okay, now then. If you see at the bottom of the screen, martynlucas.com/tip. If you want to do a crypto tip live on the show, you can. For a bit of fun, if you want to do that, can we have a poll for my website? Can we have a poll for my website? Yes, we can. What's the question? What question? Keep at sensei.crypto.com. Sensei Crypto. No. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. 100%. 100%. 100%. We're doing a poll for one of our members. So we're going to do that now. Start a poll. Poll for Sensei for web domain. I mean, I know what I think. You know, I tell you that for a fact. So, I'm all about consistency. I'm all about having the same name everywhere so you can build a brand. I don't like having different names. And if you can get .com, that is far more powerful than anything else. You asked for, and it's also the name that you've got. I wouldn't keep changing it. You've changed it from Ali Tizro to this. I know everyone doesn't agree with me, but, you know, it's easy for people who don't do it to disagree. I live and breathe this stuff. It's my life. And I'm telling you now, you want to be senseicrypto.com. No question. And then if you want to buy the other ones, and the reason why you would buy the other ones, so you're asking now as if you should be, which one? You should be senseicrypto.com and then buy all the others, because that way, if you think that you're going to grow, which obviously you would, otherwise why are you doing it? You need to own the other domain names. Because that way, people can't spoof you. All right? Senseicrypto.net. Got one more. You can only have 4 choices. What do you think this is? The Ali Tizro show. Senseicrypto.net. Okay, there you go. Ask the community. So what you want, in my opinion, this is what I say you should do. Sensei-crypto.com and then sensei-crypto.net. Sensei-crypto.org, sensei.crypto.co.uk. That's what you do. That's what you do. I am martynlucas.co.uk. I'm martynlucas.com. And that's it. And the reason why you're .com is, believe it or not, the biggest audience in the world is America. Okay? Not the only, but the biggest. People in America don't even realize, because I've done this poll before, they don't even know what, they call it .co.uk. They don't even know that's a thing. When I came to America, nobody would click on my martynlucas.co.uk. They thought it was some sort of scam. They assume every website should be .com. And I did a poll. I went around and asked a lot of business people, and they all thought, well, .com is the real thing. It's ridiculous. Do you know what it actually means? .com means a company in the US. That's all it means. That's all it means. When the internet was done and set up, .com just simply meant a US company. So .com, com for company. Whereas CO means company from the UK. co.de, company from Deutschland. AU, Australia, Austria, AUS, Australia. And all of these kind of things. People didn't realize that, and that's why companies from America and England and France and Germany and wherever they're from, they have their country domain, which gives them the identity, but they always buy .com, not a dot. It's not a dash. It's a dash. Yes, I know. It's a dash. Anyway. I like Ali Tizro. For me, yes, I think you should be yourself. In Ali's case, it's a bit different. No disrespect to Ali, but Ali is not a celebrity online. I've been Martyn Lucas now all my life. Everyone knows Martyn. Well, I don't mean everyone. I'm not blowing my ego. Not everyone knows who I am. No one cares. But I've been Martyn Lucas my entire life. So Martyn Lucas has a value, because I've been this way all my life. Ali Tizro is a much younger person, and I don't believe he's been online all his life and built up a business all his life. So maybe Ali Tizro isn't known. So Sensei Crypto at least explains what it's about. I always prefer going for a real name. I think it gives more credibility using your real name, because anyone can call themselves Sensei Crypto. Only Ali Tizro can be Ali Tizro. All right, yes, there'll be other Ali Tizros, but that's an individual name. It's not trying to be something else. And if you are Ali Tizro, you are the person. Think of every celebrity on TV, right? On CNN, on Fox, on the BBC, so on and so forth. They are the expert in their field. David Attenborough, Richard Branson, Elon Musk. They are themselves the identity, and they are the only person trying to be the crypto king, or if I called myself, the investor god or something like that. Anyone can make up that stuff, and it's self-promoting. I'm Martyn Lucas, and you judge the person. So I always prefer that. That's me. That's the way I think. But you don't have to agree. Yes, at 7. That's correct. Yes, you should have the same name across all social media. I'm Martyn Lucas everywhere. And the only reason why I'm Martyn Investor on Twitter is because I can't be Martyn Lucas Investor. I have to be. It's too long, Martyn Investor. But on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, website, YouTube, Rumble, Martyn Lucas. I can't have senseiCrypto.com. It has a stupid dash. That's another reason not to have it, why I think your name is better. Because if you have sensei-crypto.com, there's somebody else you're competing against, and somebody else could get your traffic or you could get theirs. It confuses people. However, remember, no one reads it. They just click on the link. So, does it matter anyway? Doesn't matter anyway. .ninja, some people might think it's a scam address. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm just getting used to Sensei Crypto, and I like it also. You're right. I totally agree. That is why you see my real name in face and everything. That's right. Mario is absolutely spot on. Mario. And Mario, I believe, it is you, isn't it? You brought out a song recently, and I want you to come on my YouTube channel, and I want to promote your music. I've been telling you about this for a while. I want to promote your music. Mario's brought out his own album of music, and I want to promote him. On my music channel, I'd like you to be a member or whatever, and I want to promote you. Put you on the channel and all that stuff. Anyway. Let's carry on going. The overall portfolio is down slightly today. The S&P is falling, down 0.63. I bought one this morning. It's going down. .net is quite widely accepted, but you can't beat .com. Particularly the Americans don't get it. Yes, I have 4 songs out so far, more coming out. I would love to do that. I just got to find a time. I'm working 100 hours a week, 2 different jobs, plus making music. Yeah, Mario, I'd like you to, be on YouTube, be a member of the channel. Let me promote you. Let me put you on the homepage. Let me get everyone to subscribe to you. If you're a silver member or upwards on my YouTube channel, I can put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel. And on Members Days on Friday, I can get people to subscribe to you, follow, download your music. I'd be more than happy to do that. I'd love to do it for you. Right, Virgin Galactic going up. Mullen, gold, not too bad. I'm not jumping all over it. Rivian, Tesla, Lucid. No, it's only worth 6, if that. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, great. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era, Enphase. Nothing shouting out at the minute. Tilray. Look at this. Mohammed Kahin will be upset. Big announcements apparently coming today. Nothing again. I'm not adding any more. I've got two positions on this. And losing it again. Losing a bit of faith with this, I must be honest. I might even take my profit, to be honest. And then buy it back again. Yeah, no, I'll leave it. I think we're going to get more pops. But I'm gonna start trading Tilray. I'm gonna hold it in my long-term account, but I think on my Roth IRA, I'm just gonna trade it because it's not behaving right. It's not. There's something wrong with this. I'm up now 2.85. It's a profit, $16. Take my money out, buy back lower. I don't know. It's trending down now quite a lot. How much further has it got to go? It's at the bottom of its channel. Yeah, it's trending down. Let's have a look at the chart a minute. Oh, he's looking at charts. It's overbought right now. Just looking over here to the right. You can't quite see that. It's overbought. It's selling off. Oh no, beg your pardon. I've just changed the chart. It's oversold now. Oversold. So would you perhaps, hang on, you can't quite see that, can you? Beg your pardon. There you go. Sorry, oversold. Here we are. I was on the wrong chart. So it's due a bounce back. Should have sold it before. Yeah, it's not what it's. Yeah, I can't sell it now. Yeah. We'll leave it. It'll bounce back. It's one of those stocks that just keeps bouncing up and down. I will start trading this now. I think I'll hold it. I think it's. I will hold it in my in my brokerage account. But I think my Roth IRA, where I can trade tax free, I think I'll start trading this out. Hoddle says, Apple is bigger than the entire UK stock market and twice the size of Germany. Well, I'm part of that because I'm always buying Apple products. I've got two iPhones. I've got 3 iPads. 3 Macs. And a Mac Studio. Oh, and earbuds and an Apple Watch. I might as well just work at flipping. I might as well start a shop and start selling all this stuff. Anyway, ridiculous, isn't it? Anyway, Amazon. So let's go over to Rumble Rumble right now. We've got 16 watching, 17 watching. We've got a wonderful audience on Rumble today. 83 now. We are just 17 away from our 100 followers in 2 weeks. Really great. Tomorrow is 2 weeks. And I probably missed a few days of that because I was... my computer was out. So anyway, it's lovely to have you here this morning. Thank you ever so much indeed. Let me give everybody on YouTube now. Where's my Rumble account? I've just lost it. I want to give everyone the giveaway as well. We're giving away our biggest ever giveaway. We're giving away $125 tomorrow live on the show. Let me give everybody on YouTube. There is my 2 Rumble accounts. I've got Martyn Lucas Investor and Martyn Lucas the Music Channel as well. All right. For those watching me on Rumble right now, this is for you. I'm going to put you on the screen right now. I've got 2 accounts. This one you're listening to, and I've also got my my music channel where I did concert for the King and everything else. There you go. Right, let's see if we can get 17 more followers by the end of the week, which is tomorrow. I'll be there. So, right, you want to be in our best ever giveaway, right? Okay, now then, here is our biggest and best ever giveaway. Let me just change the screen back to my overall position just for a moment. Let me share with you this link. I tell you what, it doesn't take long for my notes to get all messed around because I add new links all the time. My old-time friend, Christian Dowden. Christian Dowden, how are you? You're new here, right? Where are you from? There's our best ever giveaway. We're giving $125 away tomorrow and 15 hours of one-on-one training. There you go. There is our best ever giveaway. When you click on that link, you come to this. Let me share with you what you see. I'm going to show you now, everybody on Rumble. There you go. Let's give us a wave. If you come into the chat, we've got Midnight Oil in the chat. And we've got 16 watching and 4 likes. There's Rumble right now. Excellent. We are doing the Rumble earnings next week as well. We're covering Rumble earnings. IonQ earnings tonight. But here is the giveaway page. Here it is. We are giving away $125 tomorrow in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training. It's completely free to enter. martynlucas.com/giveaway. Links in the chat. Scroll down here and you can turn all of these opportunities into ticks. You can win with 1 lottery ticket, just like the lottery, or you can do as many things as you like. That's tomorrow. If you'd like a bit of fun and you'd like to be in and you'd like to do a crypto tip during the show and get the animation on the screen, this is our donate a crypto tip. We released it today. Very exciting. There it is in the chat if you want to do that. You can even do that on Rumble and it will show up on the screen. You'll see your name pop up. Make sure that you put your name on the screen. And lastly, every Sunday we have our newsletter, and you want to make sure that you get our newsletter because it contains giveaways and prizes and all sorts of stuff. There is the giveaway. Sorry, there is a newsletter. Oops, hang on. Let me just copy that. There is the giveaway. Sorry, the newsletter. all you got to do is put your email in there. I will never use your email or anything like that. It's a secure server. I don't need your name, details, or anything. And every Sunday at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, you'll receive my newsletter. You can sponsor the newsletter if you want to and promote your business, all kinds of stuff. I've put the newsletter now in the chat on Rumble as well. There you go. All right, back to our positions. We're going to end up the show right now. We've got to get ready for the IonQ earnings. IonQ earnings. Christian Dowden, where are you from? You're a guest to our channel right now. Where are you actually from? What city and country are you from? Here is the IonQ earnings tonight. Are you joining us for that after hours? Let me give you the link to the IonQ earnings. I'm from Trinidad and Tobago. Wonderful. What language? What is your native language? I would like to speak to you in your native language. What is your native language? From Trinidad and Tobago. Is it English or do you have a native language? Because if I can, I would like to talk to you in your native language. All right. Anybody else here from another country? Let me know. Chinese, Arabic, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Korean, Japanese. Tell me, and I'd love to address you in your language. Okay. The S&P. No real opportunities today. I'm not going to buy it again. 379. It's now down 376. Virgin Galactic's giving up its gains. Mullen. Gold. It's going up again. Not buying it yet. Rivian. Not buying it yet until it goes under 13 again. Doesn't make any money. Doesn't make any sense. Tesla. 167, not cheap enough yet to add to my position at least anyway. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Let me go over to my main English. Okay. I was going to, if you'd had another language, I was going to do that. But so that's great. Great to know. Lovely to have you here. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Have you taken part in our biggest ever giveaway? It's tomorrow. $125 in cash paid out live on the show. We can pay it out in lots of different ways. We are a money channel. It's free to enter, free for all. That's tomorrow. And there you go. Now then, we were running a poll. I think the poll has finished on Twitter. Let's have a look. Are we still running the poll? Let's see. It might have finished by now. Final results. Yes, that's done. Final results. Yep, that's done. Okay. I'll tell you what I'll do. I will do a poll on May. Here we go. On May 12th, we are giving away a 1,025. In fact, it's worth more than that. It's the 1,100 because the cash now. 25 value prize. Includes 125 in cash. And here we go, and 15 hours of 1 one-on-one training. Let me give you the link. I want to know how many people have taken part in this, because we got all the big opportunities coming out today. You don't want to miss any of it. Giveaway. Okay, here we go. I'm on my Twitter account now. We're watching the Roth go down, and we're watching my main account just bounce down at the minute. We're just keeping an eye on everything as we do this. Okay. Here it is. I'm just doing a poll for you now, and this can give you a chance to win as well. On May the 12th, we are giving away a 1,125 value prize. Includes $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training. Here we go. Enter free for all. Okay, there is the link there. Have you entered? Have you entered? I'm running a poll, so yes or no. Okay, have you entered, yes or no? We're going to run it for 1 day. That's all we need. And here we go. I'm going to invite you to enter this poll. And this can also win you free tickets as well. Notes and Twitter post. Here's my default position. Okay. There you go. Okay, I think I've done everything I need to do. Right. That's it. Right then. Let me post that to you and share it to you. Here we go. And here we go. I'm going to give it you on the screen now. Okay. Okay, here we go. You can take part in this poll, and later on, I'll give some tickets away for this one as well. There we go. So there is the poll. On May 12th, we are giving away a 1,125 value prize. Includes 125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training. Enter poll. There's the link. Have you entered? Join us every day on YouTube and all that stuff, and on Rumble. Brilliant. Copy the link to the chat. Here we go. So here is the Twitter post. Have you entered? Share this. Get involved. It's free. It's free to all. I'm so excited about it tomorrow. I'm going to give everybody the link now on Rumble as well. I can't give it to anyone on TikTok. You need to be on YouTube or Rumble to share the link. That's where we're giving away the prize. And there it is. Come back to that. Let's see how many people have voted on it yet. I'll just refresh it. Let's see how many people have voted on that in the first second. And not yet. I'll give it a minute and come back to it, and we should see it start to move. I just subscribed to your channel. I subscribed to your channel about 2 years ago. Oh wow! Well, it's 2 years. 2 years next month and a week will be our second birthday, and we've been here live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day since. It's lovely to have you here. You should become a member of our channel. At least take part in our free giveaways. Anyway. We're going to end the show right now. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. And hopefully, Sensei, your crypto tip today will be shared in the credits. We'll see. Right, so first of all, let's make sure everyone's up to date. Click the like button under the video so you know you're up to date. Do you know what I mean by that? Does everyone know what I mean by that? If you look on the video, if you look below the video, can you see here? It says live. If you're behind the stream, look, for example, say I'm back here, it's gray. You're behind the stream. If you click live, it turns red and you're up to date. Make sure that you are always up to date. Otherwise, you will miss these special parts of the show. Okay? Okay, so here we go. We're going to do Day Trader of the Day. I am down 0.27 on my overall account. Down 0.27%. Okay. And once the first person posts, I'm going to give you a minute to post. And then we're going to roll the credits. If you did a super chat today, or you did a crypto tip, martynlucas.com/tip, live on the show, hopefully you'll be on the credits. We've never done it before with the crypto tip, so we'll see what happens. At what time will the giveaway draw be tomorrow? It tells you on the information page of the giveaway. If you click on it, it tells you all the information, but it will be in the closing bell tomorrow. But if you miss it, you'll still be notified via email if you win. So don't worry. The prize is too big to be. You have to be present. We've said that you don't have to be there. If you miss it, you'll be notified. All right? Okay, so let me bring up the clock. Here we go. I am down 0.27. Nitzfereld. Thank you for all the information on Mullen, by the way, sent through Facebook. Appreciate it. He is up 1.08. That might be a winning score today. Up 1.44. Very nice indeed. Eric B goes into the lead. Virgin Galactic trimming off. Mullen selling off. Gold going back up again. Rivian going back down. Tesla down today, 0.5%. No problem. Thank you very much indeed. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. All right, time is up. There we go. And the winner today was Eric B. Make sure you're always up to date with the stream so you can get your votes in, your scores in. Thank you for your honest trade. And as always, give Eric B a thumbs up today. Congratulations, Eric. You won Day Trader of the Day today. Absolutely awesome. There he goes. And very nice indeed. And here's the happy music. Time to roll the credits. Congratulations. Thank you ever so much, everyone who gave me a tip today. Now then, we've got our brand new newsletter coming out on Sunday. If you've not signed up for our newsletter, please do that. Here is the link. It's martynlucas.com/links. Here it is. It includes giveaways. It includes, you could sponsor it. A lot of tips and tricks and stuff like that. News, my featured video of the week, my featured song of the week, all sorts. Comes out 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT on Sunday. Make sure that you go and sign up. All you got to do is put your email in. I don't want any information from you whatsoever. I will never use or share your email. And make sure that you go and sign up. Let me see if anyone signed up today. We had 347. Let me check if anyone's done it today. Oh, it's logged me out. Never mind. I have to do it later. Can I do it quickly? Can I do it quickly? I want to see if we've got anybody to do it today to do it. It's a brand new service. They broke the old widget, took it away, never told me. I realized one day my newsletter wasn't, the sign up wasn't working. And then, no one signed up today. Okay, after all that signing up, no one signed up today. Okay, fine. Right, over on Rumble, thank you to all of you. I've got to get out of here. Let me roll the credits. Let's see if Sensei's crypto tip comes up on the screen. End screen. Let me get rid of the tickers. And let's roll those credits. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's have a little look. Roll the credits. Right. Thanks for your support, Donut. Oh, look at that. Yes. Look at that, Sensei. There is your tip today. Absolutely brilliant. And our new member, Moose, and has come as a bronze member on our account as well. Fan-flipping-tastic. Absolutely great. Look at that. It does work. And so if you want to get a request or highlight your name or have an animation on the screen, you can do a tip. You can do a crypto tip. It costs nothing to send it, nothing to receive it, no middleman, and it's a bit of fun. You might enjoy doing that. That's it from me. I'll see you back for the closing bell, and then we have the after hours with vidIQ. Until then, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Bye-bye for now.